Hello. I basically just got I almost sneezed, but I basically just got home, settled, and look at the time. Now you see why my sleep schedule, eating schedule is messed up, but I always have time for my shoutouts. This shoutout is based off of my last vlog, which is another Annette Diaries. I think it was LA Eats and Slice of My Life. First one goes to Hannah.
A bunch of exclamation points. My sweet tooth is aching for all that delicious food, the cakes, the bingsoo, and you guys are such loving, cute friends. Heart. I hope you have a lovely weekend, and at the moment I've been obsessed with Kanzi apples because whenever I see you going for apples, I crave them so bad. Thank you again for the lovely video diary. Give me such comfy vibes. Thank you for the comments. Hannah?
This one like touched my heart because I never thought of like going or like going even close to this, but Sensi Olano
said, can't wait to see you unbox the silver, gold, and diamond play button when you reach 100k, 1 million, and 10 million subs. Congratulations in advance. This means a lot to me. Thank you for saying this.
Next one goes to Jewel Strings. You said,
I know Annette Diaries just started, but I never want it to end. It won't. Not yet. It's not gonna end. I love just vlogging. Like, I've been like, not gonna lie, I've been pretty busy like with my life these days. I just really want to enjoy my last year in college, so I am getting ready to enjoy. Like, I'm getting my body set, and I don't even know what I'm saying right now.
But yeah, I've been busy, but then I just like filming when I remember or I want to show you guys something. And that's basically Annette Diaries. So I hope you guys are enjoying it, and those are all the shoutouts for this week. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get started. This is the to be continued from last vlog.
I'm wearing the same exact hoodie I was wearing.
We're going shopping. We gotta get some clothes.
I'm so bad at shopping.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way.
It looks kind of too big.
Okay, let me see that. Let me see the
medium.
Turn around. No.
Look, it's
Wait.
like dragging on the floor though.
The bottom is big, but the top is perfect. Yeah.
Way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing.
Fitting room.
I know. We did it. We shopped until the end, like the closing time. But we are on our way to go eat. I'm kind of nervous because we're eating with our whole family, and I'm nervous.
Nah,
I'm actually so nervous. We're eating
You've
sushi.
literally eaten with them before.
Okay, that's true, but like that was different. Yeah, actually. No, you could do it. She bought a dress, a really nice dress.
She helped me choose.
She looks so good. Her curves are crazy, guys.
No, bro. I'm literally.
No, I'm gonna turn it off just so you can't say anything. Yes.
You pick the station, sunrise, no destination, no lie. I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Let's go.
I burped.
Oh. Hello. We're at H-Mart. H-Mart, baby.
Smart baby.
Come here.
Huh?
It closes in 15 minutes, so we're gonna buy snacks really fast. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Run, 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 run. Okay. We came back from H Mart. I'm so full. But we're gonna do this anyway. So
I want to thank Deb's mom, parents, for buying me food. So I bought her a bunch of snacks. And I realized we got a lot of snacks. We got this plus ice cream and another snack. So we're gonna try all of it because it's our first time.
So it's a snacking taste, Korean snack taste test. Okay, which one? Should we start with the sweet? Which one do you want to try first?
This one.
This one? Okay.
Good. Wait, no, I almost got it. Okay.
Do you like the smell? No. You don't like the smell?
It smells kind of
Like cheddar-y, right? Yeah.
to Annette's fans. You do.
Someone's in love with you
Oh,
already.
look at that! Look at that! Look at that.
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay?
I feel like I've had better.
That's true.
It tastes like fluffy potato and like a little bit sweet.
Yeah.
Cream
cheese.
and cheese flavor.
We're gonna try this one next.
This is like something I would mindlessly eat.
This definitely got smaller. I like this one better. I have hopes for this one. Hey, come closer. I want you to be the main for this because I want to see your reaction.
This is your channel. I loosened it for you, man.
Like, try it. Let's try this. Damn!
I like the texture. The texture is good. It's ASMR. I kind of like the pretzel one more though.
Really? Actually, there's a sweet potato one for this and it's good too.
We used to this is potato. This doesn't taste like potato. What does it taste like? I've had this before.
I have hopes for this one.
Oh, kind of tastes like potato. Like very
Yeah.
light potato aftertaste.
Yeah, basically. So I guess the first two is a fail.
No, they're not bad. I think I could eat this and like not feel guilty about my health.
Yeah. These are all healthy snacks, or is it?
Oh really? I don't think that's healthy.
It's potato though.
Ingredients.
Potato flake.
Potato granule, maybe not. Silicon dioxide, calcium phosphate, tri-basic. Oh, that doesn't sound healthy.
This is like a OG like Korean snack, buttering.
I'm not big on like packaged cookies.
Are you serious?
Unless they're like really good.
Oh no.
The more I eat these, the more I like them.
This, right? The sweet potato ones are good too. Oh, they broke. Do you see that? It's broken. Eat the new one. Or
They're all broken.
they're all broken.
Okay, I'll try a small piece.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It smells very buttery.
It's butter ring.
ASMR.
It's okay. I'll vacuum it. How do you like it?
Let me try another one.
Damn it!
Hold on.
Oh, damn it!
I have to cleanse my palate.
I think it's good.
I like the texture.
This is like an OG like Korean. People usually put like milk in here.
Oh really?
She likes
feel
all
like-
of it, but it's not like.
It's like food. Like if it was placed in front of me,
Yeah, I would eat it.
I would eat it.
It's because you're full right now.
Oh, that's possible.
Okay, wait. Let me get the other snacks. I'll be right back.
Okay. Hello. I'll eat more snacks while I wait for Annette to return. Very mediocre. She's coming.
Right? But this is the last one.
Ow.
It's a new flavor. I like the OG one.
Oh, I've seen you eat this.
Yeah, the OG ones are so good.
Have you ever eaten this on your YouTube channel?
Yeah, I always.
Yeah, I think I've seen you eat it.
I was like into it.
This
cheese flavor.
like a better version of it.
Cheers. I kind of liked it.
Cheers. Okay, wait.
Cheers.
That's good. When you put it in the freezer?
Yeah, it's good when it's cold, right?
It is good.
Right?
What the heck?
It's good when it's cold. You need to freeze this.
Texture on the outside is kind of like my bowl. Ah.
This is good.
Top.
Top.
What is inside? Just cheese?
This is the original one.
Yeah, but there's cheese on it. Shape of a corn?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot!
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. It
Right?
smells like sweet corn.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And there's like chocolate in it too.
Okay.
Ooh. See? Ah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ah.
I hope you like it.
It smells straight up just like corn.
It's one of my faves.
I don't dislike it. I love corn. I always eat like corn and I put it in my food and stuff, but I never had
It's like sweet corn.
sweet corn ice cream. It's not bad.
I like it.
It's good, I guess. If you like corn, adds to it. Cheers. The chocolate makes it like a little bit sweeter. Close your mouth and chew. I was probably chewing my mouth open too. I'm burping.
Are you full?
Yeah. I could eat more.
Or have you tried the red bean? Do you have space for a red bean?
If you eat it with me.
Okay. I'll be right back. With BB Beak. This is one of my faves too.
Yeah.
Oh my, I'm so full.
I'm not big on red bean though.
Oh,
But you know this.
I know this.
My gums are sensitive.
You like it? Have a bite. No.
Oh.
Oh, are you okay with biting it?
Ow! Yes.
This taste test was a failure.
What? What did you say? This taste test was a beta.
This taste test was a failure.
It's not a failure. I didn't dislike anything. I think my expectations were low-key kind of low.
This one, like, it doesn't look good.
It doesn't look like it tastes good.
But it's super
it
good.
tastes
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this. She thought this was okay, and she doesn't like red bean.
I don't dislike it.
Oh, I'm so full. I need to lay down. You're gonna see. Oh my god, my belly fat. No. But I promised to show you guys what I got from my shopping. And I really got these jeans that I'm loving. Wait, I basically got these jeans from Hollister. It was the dad jeans. Like, honestly, I don't save money for jeans because I wear it for a long time and it's worth it. This was $43 plus tax. But I love it. I got all the top from this. I got it from Forever 21. I believe this was like $27. This was like $7. Isn't it nice, honestly? I love these kind of like corduroy or something. I love these. So I got that. Ta-da! This is the last one from Forever 21 too. I honestly got everything from Forever 21. Oh, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. I look super bad right now. It's just me, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Exercise.
Oh, it's not pretty, but I should put in some nuts in there and cacao nibs.
I never made bingsoo at home. Like, I mean, I made it when I was like little, but I hope the red bean helps. The PB. I feel like I need to get more ingredients for this. I hope it tastes like bingsoo. You know the powder that I put? The powder helps. Like the powder, it actually tastes like bingsoo. Oh my god. So good. I used the leftover snacks from. I'm gonna be making this a lot now. This is so good.
이 사람이 한지 누구도 못해. 그치만 그때밖에 사줄 길이 없었어.